September 28th, 2020 mini lesson. So again, we are going to take a look at our order of operations, the parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division from left to right, of course, and our addition and subtraction from left to right, of course. So number 1, evaluate and determine the second step. So evaluate, there's our vocabulary word. That word evaluate means we're going to solve it. Then we're going to determine what the second step is. So let's solve it and then we'll figure out, okay, what is our second step? So first, do we have any parentheses? Yes, we do. So those parentheses, we have to solve what is inside of those parentheses. So we are going to look at inside those parentheses, 27 divided by 3. What is 27 divided by 3? Oh yeah, what times 3 is 9? Or what times 3 is 27? It is 9. So I'm going to put that 9 there. You can make it bigger if you'd like to. You do not have to. So we have that 9. And then we're going to bring everything else down because we cannot leave anything left behind. So 9 minus 2 plus 4 to the second power. Do we have any more parentheses? Nope, done with those parentheses. Do we have any exponents? Yeah, we do. So where is that exponent? Let's see. Beep, 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 beep. There's that exponent. That exponent, 4 squared, or 4 to the second power. Oh yeah, that means 4 times 4. What is 4 times 4? 16. Remember, 4 times 4 is not 8. That would be 4 times 2. 4 times 4 is 16. I'm going to make that a little bigger for us. Now bring everything else down. Let me highlight that. Bring everything else down we did not use. So we have that 9 minus 2 plus, and then we have our 16 over there. So I'm going to bring that 9 down. I did not bring it down so that we can't cheat. Ha ha ha. All right, so let's take a look here. There we go. So now we have 9 minus 2 plus 16. Do we have any more exponents? Nope. Check that off. How about multiplication or division? Do we have any multiplication or division? Nope. We're going to check that off. How about addition and subtraction? Yes, we have both. And how do we go about it? Oh yeah, from left to right. All right, here's our magic wand. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, 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 beep. There's our first part. So we have 9 minus 2. What is 9 minus 2? Oh yeah, 9, 8, 7. 7. All right, I'm going to make that a little bigger for us. And then bring everything else down. We cannot leave anything left behind. So we used that. So plus, and then we have 16 there. I'm going to make that a little bigger. All right, so do we have any more addition and subtraction? Yes, we do. And in this case, we only have one problem, but let's check. Beep, 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 beep. So there is addition, 7 plus 16. We can do that, and that will be our answer. So 7, or 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So you should have 23. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So go ahead and make sure you counted that out and you get 23 as your answer. I'm going to make this a little bigger. I'm going to bold it. And are we done with our addition and subtraction? Yes, we are. So I'm going to check that off. Now, are we done with this whole problem? It said evaluate and determine the second step. We need to determine that second step. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a look here. I'm going to put this in red. We need to determine that second step. So our first step, what was our first step? Oh yeah, here was our first step. We did our parentheses. Now, then we brought everything else down. Our second step, the second step is going to be this 4 squared, that exponent. So what you can write for the second step, you can put 4 squared. Remember, when you type an exponent, you hold that control, the CTRL, and press that period. I'm going to underline all of that. So there we, whoop, maybe not. That's okay. All right, so that second step is 4 squared, or 4 to the second power, and we have completed our mini lesson.